Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: monitoring and controlling. In this video, we will be exploring a chapter that covers a wide range of essential concepts. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. What is controlling, and why is it important? Controlling, in the context of management, refers to the process of ensuring that actual performance matches the planned performance. It involves measuring progress toward organizational goals and objectives, comparing actual performance with the set standards, identifying any deviations, and taking corrective action when necessary. Here are key aspects of controlling in management and why it is important. 1. Achieving organizational goals. Controlling helps in ensuring that the organization is moving towards its goals and objectives. By monitoring performance against predetermined standards, managers can identify whether the organization is on track or if adjustments are needed. 2. Performance evaluation. Controlling provides a basis for evaluating individual and organizational performance. It helps in assessing how well employees and departments are performing and whether they are contributing to the overall success of the organization. 3. Decision making. Control systems provide managers with information that is crucial for making informed decisions. By having a clear understanding of the current state of affairs, managers can make adjustments or strategic decisions to improve your performance. 4. Feedback mechanism. Controlling serves as a feedback mechanism. It provides information on what is working well and what needs improvement. This feedback is essential for learning and continuous improvement within the organization. 5. Resource optimization. Controlling helps in optimizing the use of resources, including time, money, and human capital. By identifying inefficiencies or areas of wastage, managers can take corrective actions to ensure resources are used effectively. 6. Adaptation to change. In a dynamic business environment, change is inevitable. Controlling allows organizations to adapt to changes by identifying deviations from the plan and making necessary adjustments to cope with external factors or internal challenges. 7. Motivation and accountability. Employees are more likely to be motivated when they understand that their performance is being monitored and evaluated. Controlling establishes accountability, as individuals and teams are held responsible for meeting the set standards and goals. 8. Legal and ethical compliance. Controlling helps in ensuring that organizational activities comply with legal and ethical standards. This is particularly important in industries with strict regulations or where ethical considerations play a significant. The control process. The control process in management refers to the systematic and continuous activities carried out by managers to ensure that organizational objectives are achieved. It involves a series of steps to monitor, measure, compare, and correct performance in order to maintain or improve the effectiveness and efficiency of organizational processes. Here are the key details of the control process. 1. Establishing standards. The control process begins with setting clear and measurable standards or benchmarks. These standards serve as the criteria against which actual performance will be compared. 2. Measuring performance. Actual performance is systematically measured against the established standards. This involves collecting data and information related to the ongoing activities of the organization. 3. Comparing performance with standards. The measured performance is compared with the predetermined standards to identify any variances or deviations. This step helps in understanding where the organization is performing as expected and where adjustments may be needed. 4. Analyzing deviations. If discrepancies are identified, managers analyze the reasons for the deviations. This analysis helps in determining whether the variations are due to external factors, internal issues, or other factors that require attention. 5. Taking corrective action. Based on the analysis, managers take corrective action to bring performance back on track. This could involve adjusting processes, reallocating resources, providing additional training, or making other changes as necessary. 6. Feedback and learning. The control process provides valuable feedback to management about the effectiveness of their planning and implementation. It also contributes to organizational learning, allowing for continuous improvement. 7. Adjusting standards, if necessary. In some cases, the control process may lead to the realization that the essential to ensure that the organization remains on course and can adapt to changes in the internal and external environment. 9. Documentation and reporting. The control process often involves documenting the results of performance measurements, analysis, and corrective actions. This documentation is useful for future reference, reporting to stakeholders, and for organizational learning. Thank you for watching our video, and please like and subscribe this channel.